From the moment we're born, time begins shaping us. Our bodies grow, learn, strengthen. But eventually, they also weaken. Wrinkles form, hair fades, energy slows, and cells begin to fail. But what truly causes us to age? To understand aging, we must look deep, at our very cells. Every cell in our body contains DNA, our genetic blueprint. Each time a cell divides, it makes a copy of that DNA. But copying isn't perfect. Small errors and damage occur. Over decades, these tiny imperfections build up like scratches on a record. At the ends of our DNA are structures called telomeres. Telomeres act like caps on shoelaces, protecting our genetic code. But with every cell division, telomeres get shorter. When they become too short, the cell can no longer divide. It either dies or enters a state called senescence, a kind of cellular retirement. Senescent cells don't just stop working, they start causing trouble. They release chemicals that trigger inflammation and damage nearby cells. This buildup slowly contributes to the physical signs of aging. Our skin loses elasticity, our organs lose efficiency, our repair systems weaken. But DNA and telomeres aren't the only culprits. Inside every cell, tiny powerhouses called mitochondria create energy. Over time, they accumulate damage and produce harmful molecules called free radicals. These unstable molecules attack DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. This process, known as oxidative stress, accelerates aging throughout the body. The immune system also grows weaker with age. It struggles to fight infections and clear out damaged cells. That's why older bodies heal slower and face higher risks of disease. Yet aging isn't just biological, it's also evolutionary. Nature designed us to reproduce, not necessarily to live forever. After reproduction, natural selection weakens its grip. Genes that cause late-life damage go largely unchecked. It's a trade-off, survival of the young over the immortality of the old. Still, science is challenging that ancient rule. Researchers are exploring ways to slow or even reverse aging. Some focus on extending telomeres to keep cells dividing longer. Others study calorie restriction, which may reduce cellular stress. And new fields like epigenetics aim to reset the body's biological clock. In lab animals, scientists have already increased lifespans dramatically. Mice, worms, and even monkeys have shown signs of slowed aging. But humans are far more complex, and the price of immortality remains unknown. Would endless life mean endless youth, or endless decay? Could we still find meaning if time never ended? Aging, in a strange way, gives life its urgency and purpose. Every wrinkle tells a story. Every scar, a memory. Every grey hair, a sign that we've lived and learned. We age because we are alive. And in that inevitable process, there is beauty and truth. Because even as our cells weaken, our experiences deepen. And though time takes our strength, it gives us wisdom in return. That, perhaps, is the true gift of aging.